hurt me, you did several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need to kill a dragon for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. Still, every time, whatever it is, I keep on trying. 'Cause it ain't hard to forgive when you know what it's like.
Here you can mount monitor stand, or you can also wall mount. This is the stand release button. You can release the stand or to remove the stand here by pressing this button. And you can also see here display ports and two HDMI in ports and headphone out and power socket made in China. Also you can notice here the model number and other things. LG logo. In the bottom side you can see the air vents comes from top to bottom. And here the joystick through this you can control the monitors and menu button. Now I am going to insert the stand to the monitor.
You don't need to be Prince Charming to me.
This stand mount is made of aluminum. It is very strong, very well built.
You don't need to kill a dragon for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. I don't need no.
HDMI cable. HDMI cable. It supports up to 4K display. Display port cable. It also supports the 4K. Display port 1.2 supports. These cables length is very long and sufficient for a personal computer to have. Power adapter. It works under 100 to 124 volt, 50 to 60 Hz, 1.5 amps, and 19 volt to 2.5 amps. Power socket cable. This is how I am going to install this stand to the monitor. Just look at that. You have to attach this stand like this. you have to tight this screw using any tool, or otherwise you can also you can tighten this screw like this. Just attach this stand like this. That's it. This button is to remove the stand like this. You have to press downward this button, then you can lift the stand. Removing these screws, you can also wall mount this monitor to the wall straight without attaching the stand. I am going to give you full review of this monitor in the next video. Track my channel to watch that video. That's it in this video. If you like this video, please press like button and subscribe to my channel to get notification of my new videos. Thanks for watching.